Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today's video is DIY kitchen makeover part 2. When we bought this house, this is what it looked like. So what we did first was, since we were changing flooring to the second floor, it made sense if we put the vent hood first so we don't need to take the floors out again in the future. And we took the cabinets out so we will put floating shelves onto the wall. To mount the shelves, first, we cut the back edge of the shelf off so that the wood would match. Then, we mounted the cutoff to wall and made sure it's level. We've used 2x12s to build the shelves, then we drilled holes for the steel dowels or steel brackets that hold the shelves in place. Since we are using 2x12s wood, this bracket is 6 inches long with 1/2 inch diameter, with backplate is 2 inches wide and 1 1/8 inches height. I will post a link below. We notched the piece on the wall to inlay the dowel mounts. We secured them with the screws and pushed the shelves onto the steel dowels. We made sure the distance of the dowels from the edge matched the distance from the main shelf when we pushed it onto the steel dowels. For the shorter shelves, we used wood dowels to keep the edges of the intersection where the two shelves meet even across the top and the bottom. Stop! We did the same on the other side and pre-drilled a hole for the screws to mount the cut-off back edge of the shelf. We always make sure everything is leveled before mounting the cut-off back edge. For this side, we didn't know we bought different size of brackets but still works. This one is a little longer. We just want to make sure that the wall is level. So we had a setup outside and we rented a tile cutter at Home Depot for only 35 bucks a day. We picked the tiles that we wanted, and you know me, I love white subway tiles. That's my favorite. We mix mortar and water until we get the right consistency. This is the one you use as a glue to stick your tiles on the wall. But there's also a premix one, but I would suggest use the premix one because it's less hassle. We layered the tiles to see how many layers we needed, and it was perfect 4 layers with spacing, meaning we don't need to cut off the thickness of the tiles above. If you noticed from our last DIY kitchen makeover video, we used the Ditra thing before we put the mortar and laid the tiles. This time, we don't think it's necessary. There are different tile layout patterns and we did 1/3 offset. We also use 1/8 inches plastic tile spacer. Make sure to wipe it off the mortar as you go so it doesn't leave your surface rough. In this video, we are trying to be detailed compared to other first DIY kitchen makeover that we did last time. So if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and if you like this video, please share this to your families and friends. This tile cutter is very convenient to have and it's easy to use. Just be careful using this one. So we made the first cut to mount on the corner left side. My husband measured first before he cut a tile. We mounted the shelves first before we tiled around. It's easier to attach the floating shelves before tiling. We are not professionals, so we kind of left that part funny, because that part can be covered by the vent hood. But if you do it by yourself, it's your call. After we laid those tiles, we are ready for grouting. We waited 24 hours though to grout, and we took those spacers out. Using the spatula to spread the grout cement, and make sure to press the cement into the grout line. Make sure you wipe it immediately because it dries so fast. You don't want the surface to be roughed. Make sure you wash and clean your sponge before wiping the grout on those tiles, so it will leave your surface smooth and nice. After we sanded the shelves real good, we stained them and put the satin finish for a smooth surface. Caulking is the last process for this part. For cleaning the glass stove top, I wiped it first and used barkeeper's friend. I spread it on the top of the stove and sprayed with water and let it sit for a minute or so. Then lightly scrub using my little sponge. We didn't change the stove because I'm happy with it and it still works pretty good. All it just takes is to clean it real good. I'm going to post below the link where we got the vent hood. This works also pretty good, but to be honest, I like the one in Nashville kitchen. Painted the pantry door like a distressed wood kinda, and we painted the bottom cabinets to give it a fresh, new look. The only appliances we changed was the refrigerator that we ordered online at Home Depot. We got Bosch brand. See the link of the description box below. We also mounted shiplocking for the peninsula, but we will make a separate video for that. We also changed hardwares to have a little modern fresh look for the cabinets. I really love how it turned out. A little paint goes a long way. Cabinets look so new. added under cabinet lights and strip lights for the shelves, and it made it look more cozy and bright. We didn't change our granite counter, although that's not our favorite, but for now we are happy with that. And since we took some of the cabinets out, this kitchen feels more open. I'm debating if I'm gonna paint the upper cabinets too, but my husband said he wouldn't. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please let us know what y'all think. Hope to see y'all next time.
See ya.